everyone. Look at that, we got a different mug today. Clark Hill Motors. Oh, I've been taking my stuff over to Mike for years. Always does a good job for me, okay? Now, I'm working on the, geez, that coffee's good. It must be about 7:30, I think, 7:30. Okay, I've been showing you some videos about the coin ring. The gold coin in the silver ring. That's a pretty cool piece. Size, oh, I'm gonna say it's a size 11. So now I got the coin fitting the way I like. Remember, don't be putting a really expensive coin. I shouldn't say expensive. Coins can be expensive without being rare. Don't put a rare coin into a piece of jewelry, okay? There's something called the numismatic value. You don't want to destroy the coin for the sake of just wearing it. Find yourself a coin, get a coin made, like we're doing here. We're making a coin. This is a copy of I think a early 1700s cob. I can look it up. I'm gonna. The other coin I looked up, it was a 1680s, a late 1600s cob, a Spanish cob, and I think they're just the coolest coins. And then this got stuff on the back, right? So you can see inside. So I'm gonna solder this in here, right? Again, because it doesn't have numismatic value. It's just a 10-carat reproduction of a coin. But it makes for a real nice piece. So once this gets soldered together, I'm gonna polish it, ultra polish it. I'm gonna darken, I'm gonna antique the sides, and then I'm gonna polish the coin a little bit, and this is gonna be a cool piece. All right, you guys, anyways, maybe I should do that now. I'm listening to my music, having my coffee. Maybe I'll do that now, look at that. Okay. I've lined it up the way I want. I don't want it exactly straight up and down. I want it off a little bit. That's just the way I want it, okay? And I don't need a whole bunch of gold in here. I don't need a bunch of solder. I always turn my bottles off at night, just because. And also this ring is just about done too. I'm gonna set some gems in it. I'm going down for some parts today. Okay, look at this. This is gonna be great. Now, the $1,000,000 question is, what am I going to use, silver solder or gold solder? Well, generally I like the easy flow silver solder, especially for little things like this. And if you use it properly, there we go. If you use it properly and sparingly, now I'm going to turn the light off. I hope you can see. Hello. So I have a little, I call them pickup sticks. They're just old files sharpened. So now I'm going to get this flame hot, because what I want to do I just want to heat the ring up very well red hot. It's another reason why you turn the light out too. See that thing starting to glow? And you don't need a whole heck of a lot. I'm just picking it up. Oh. I kind of melted to the end of the pickup stick. And then so I'm gonna go next to the coin on the silver edge. Okay, look, I don't, that coin's never gonna go anywhere. Okay, you guys? Now, don't throw it in there when it's super red hot, but this is the pickle. Now this edge is slightly higher than the rest of the coin, so I'm not polishing off any detail on the coin. Give the coin a little going over. And again, normally I'd be wearing my mask, you guys. Now, oh, that's cool. I have a big polishing machine. You guys know my big polishing machine in the back. But what I like with using one of these is for the top, gives you more control. Okay. Somebody offered the other day to come and hold the cameras. Maybe that's what I need to do. You guys, I'm not going to get anybody to... Oh. That's going to be cool. When it's all finished, antiqued in the black. I'll post a picture of it. Anyways, you guys, featured mug of the day. Send me your mug. Wow. All right, you guys, have a nice day. Well, I think it turned out great. Nice ultra polished a coin in the back. Oh, polished the little sides there so it reflects the light back on there. You know, the sides being open, it'll keep your finger dry, so you know, it'll just be a much more comfortable ring. Anyways, look at that. That's the detail on that, just beautiful. Okay, you guys, have a nice day.